Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable NxtPaper mode on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. To do that, we simply have to switch the toggle we have on the right side of the smartphone up and then select NxtPaper mode right here, then tap enter and wait until it is enabled. To disable this mode, simply switch off the toggle. And if you want to enter this mode instantly after switching the toggle, you're gonna have to go to settings on your device. In settings, find and open NxtPaper zone, then go to NxtPaper key, switch on entering immediately and select NxtPaper mode. Now we don't have to choose anything on our screen after switching the toggle. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.